Ready, girl? One, two, don't say that. One, two, three. Hey, Gretchen, it's your birthday, and I'm here to say that y'all really special in every way. You're the fly girl, and you're really cool. Yo think you're pretty, and I ain't no fool. She going to school. She learned to do your dues real good. You better tip her, because she's real good. Because if you don't tip her, I'm gonna come to your hood. She's a fast walker. She's a fast talker. Ain't nobody gonna stop her. She's a fast walker. She's a fast talker. Ain't nobody gonna stop her. Hey Gretchen, I watched you grow from when you was a little girl and didn't know what the world was all about, and now you do, and I'm so proud of you. Hey Gretchen, I pray for you that you'll always know what to do, cause God's got your back, you're a jewel. He wants you to know that you're no fool, and never give up on you. Okay. Hey Gretchen, it's your birthday, what you gonna do? Everybody celebrate you. And Gretchen, you're the computer bomb. You we know that we can never go wrong. She what? She rocks the house. 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 Happy birthday now, y'all. Happy birthday. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gretchen. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, girl. Woo! Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, y'all. We're going to peace out. We're going to peace out.